Hello and welcome to Genius Print. This is Tushar, and today in this video I am going to tell you about 10 most important Olympiad exam 2021. Student, first of all I will request you, all of you, please don't mind as we have not taken a video for a long times, but I already told you that I will take this, but due to some problems so now I am going to start these exams, preparations of different exam. So if you want to take this different course of these exams, you can see our all this video. Most probably in this new sessions also I will take different examinations course. Okay, so please subscribe our channels and hit this bell icon so that you can get all this information regarding this most important Olympiad exam. Okay, so without wasting time, let's start it. And another thing is that don't forget to share this video with your friend so that we can take this session as fast as possible. If 1000 students graph together, then I will take this completely free sessions for this sessions. Okay, so let's get started. So this is Tushar Ranjan Sarkar, BTech Computer Science and Engineering, founder of Genius Print Educations. A small introductions about me. So I already told it to in our previous classes also. Okay, so let's start it. Here our first examinations is National Talent Search Examination 2021. I am sure all of you have heard about these examinations. It's a very tough exams, and if you take a preparation for 6 to 7 months, I am sure all of you can crack these examinations. And a good that means you can say award is given for this examination. It is rupees 1250 rupees per month is given those who have cracked these examinations. Okay, and its registrations will start most probably October month, and its level 1 examinations will be November 2021, and level 2 examinations will be May 22. These are some of the date that we have taken from different sources. This date may change because of this pandemic situations. Okay, so but all of you have to keep in mind that the registrations will start at least 1 or 2 months before, 1 month before this examinations. Okay, so this is National Talent Search Examination 2021, which is also known as the NTSE. Okay, so all the students of class 11th and 12 can give these examinations, and postgraduates and also undergraduate student can also participate here, and they will get rupees 2000 per month. So it's a very prestigious exams. If you prepared for these exams and can crack it, and then it can help you by taking different remuneration per month and also mementos and certificate and others. Okay, so let's see our next exam is what. See, our next exam is NSTSE exam, which is National Level Science Talent Search Examinations. Okay, so it's also science level exam, but it candidate must be class 1 pass, that is from class 2 to class 10 can participate here. Okay, so for class 11 and 12, those who have taken this PCB and PCM can also join this exam or give these exams, and class 12 students also of PCB and PCM can also give this exam. That means students of arts and commerce background cannot give these examinations, as it is only for the science students. Okay, so PCM physics, chemistry, math, and PCB is physics, chemistry, biology. So those who have that means taken this subject can prepare for these exams, and those who will jump into class 11s can also prepare from this for this examination. But I will request all of you, those who have not, that means given this examination, can experience your exams in lower classes, from lower classes, which will help you to grab or crack these exams in different sessions of these different classes. Okay, so here exam is basically date can start from 1st June to 30th September of 2021, and exam date is basically from January 22 and 30th January 30. So this two date has been announced by them, but this date can change. Okay, so I will that means I have already told you that this date may change, but you should take a common periods of 2 to 3 months for these examinations. Okay, more than 2 or 3 months it cannot extend. So those who have that means taken the preparation for these exams is good, and those who have not taken this preparation can also prepare for this exam now. Okay, so here a good remuneration is given for this exam. That means those who have crack, or those who will crack will get rupees 2 lakhs as this cash prize, and top 3 rankers will get a laptop, a mementos, a medal, etc., along with this cash prize. Okay, so top 4 to 10 and 11 to 40 rankers will get this cash prize also, rupees 3000 and 1000 each. So these are different award that which are basically given to those students who have cracked these exams. So award is not a main factor, but you should crack this exam, and after cracking these exams you will that means get an experience about these examinations, which will also help you to crack this JEE mains and advanced levels or NEET level examinations. Okay, so prepare for this exam from class 9, it would be or 8 or as lower class as possible. This kind of exams will help you to enhance your preparation for this JEE mains, advanced, and this NEET level examinations also. And we are going to launch different courses of this exam also. So please stay with us and see all these videos and all these courses what we have already uploaded and what we will upload. For seeing this, please subscribe our channel. Okay, so let's start see our next topics. So here it is Kishore Bigyan Protistance Yojana, or KVPY, and I am sure all of you have heard these examinations, and those who have not heard, please see this video. And this is a very prestigious exams, and one of the hardest exams in our class 12 level standard also in scholarship based examinations. Okay, so those who are in class 9 or 10 can prepare this for this examination, but these exams you will have to give in class 11 or 12 level. Okay, so these are basically for the science student, not for this arts and commerce background. So please prepare yourself. If you want to crack these exams in class 11, then you have to prepare it for from class 9 and 10. After this means completing this class 10, you have to finish your syllabus of class 11. That means one class you should take advanced preparations. If you have take this one class advanced preparation, then it can help you to crack these exams, because I already told you that this is one of the hardest exams in our country. Okay, and the exam date is basically on that means registration started from July 12 on, and this last date will be present August of 25, and this can also extend. Okay, so for this pandemic situation, now KVPY attitude, this test will be aptitude test will conduct on this November 7th and 2021, and this date also be extend, but these are some of the temporary dated that I already told you. Okay, so yeah, here award is given 5,000 rupees per month as per this those who have, that means those who will crack these examinations. Since these are data basically for our this previous from this previous date I have taken this informations, but some of this award and some other date can also change, but I have taken this latest informations as fast as possible, or as that means much as possible I have taken it. So you should that means prepare yourself strongly. See, I will request all of you, those who are seeing this video, please prepare for this KVPY exam, and I'm sure if you want to, that means if you have cracked, or if you have make your ability to crack this examinations, then you can easily crack some other examinations also by taking without taking any other preparations. Okay, so this syllabus of this examinations is very tough, and by taking these preparations, some other examinations and very simple for you. Okay, so and its date is started. Those who have not registered yourself, please see this date on this website, and if it is pause or if it is extend, then by seeing this date you can see it, and whatever information we have taken from this net, please see all these things and then apply for it. Okay, so I will request all of you, please prepare for this kind of examinations, and it is a very prestigious exam which will enhance your preparation for all this examination. Okay, so let's see our next. So here it is International Olympiad in English Language, or IOEL. This is a silver zone based examination, and all of you know that is the famous Olympiad exams. In each and every year this examinations is conducted by Silverstone, and they have launched their different books also in their website. I will take this session course of complete math and science solution from class 6 to 10 6 to 10 for this level, and this should be free. If it is possible, so I will that means take all the sessions of complete preparational video for this kind of examinations, as it is very popular to all of the students. Okay, so please see with all this video what I will take, and stay with us. Okay, so this is a very prestigious exam, and those who are in class 1 and to 12 can prepare for these examinations and give these examinations. Okay, and it's level 1 and level 2 and level yes, 2 level or 3 levels are there for cracking these examinations. If you, that means, crack this exam, then a good remunerations of 1 lakh cash prize is given, or they are told that they will take a complete visit of NASA and some other ISRO like organizations, if you want, that means if you crack this examinations. Okay, so these are offline mode exam, and online also is there because of this pandemic situation, but basically all the students who have prepared for these examinations can give these exams in their respective schools also. Okay, so presently we have to see what they will take or decide how they will that means take this examination online or offline in this current situation. But in earlier that means years they conducted offline examinations. Now 11th November 2021 and 14th November 2021 is their IOEL date of offline mode, and IOEL date of this online mode is of 4th to 8th and 5th to 9th December and January respectively. Okay, so these are some of the announced date by them, and please mark this date. I am saying it again, please mark this date and see their website frequently for giving these examinations. Okay, I will take, or if it is possible, I will take a complete course regarding all this examinations that I already that means prepared for this. Okay, so please stay with us. Here it is, Indian National Olympiad 2021. See, this is a very prestigious exam. Many or a couple of my students have cracked this examination. INO a very prestigious exams, and class 8 to 12 students can give this exam, and its exam date is basically in November. They already told that, but this date I do not that means know about the exact date. That's why I have whatever information I got, I uploaded here. Please see if you want to give this examination, their website. Okay, so let's see our next topic is what. See, it's a National Science Olympiad or NSO. It's also a very important examination for the students of class 1 to class 12. Okay, and exam date is basically in 27th, and the set Sunday of 28th of November they announced this date, and this is of rupees 50,000 cash prize plus international gold medal plus certificate and outstanding performance etc. is given those who have cracked these examinations. So if you want to crack these exams, then syllabus is basically almost similar to that of some other examination that I already told. So please prepare for one of the best examination for them, so that you can crack all this examination. And one thing I want to share with you is that all these examinations are basically conducted in November or December month basically. So in this session I don't know how they will conduct, because in November and December most of these board exams, that means for class 12 and madhyamik level examinations, are going to conduct in December for their level 1 or this pre-board that means half yearly sections examinations, which CBSE board already announced that they will take 2 examination from this whole syllabus of 50% in this half yearly level, and this 50% in this that of annual level. So for this half yearly sessions it may be in November, December, and if they take these examinations in November, December, then this kind of exam date may be in before or maybe in after this board examinations. Okay, so please keep in mind this point also. So let's see our next examinations is here is Science Olympiad Foundation or SOF 2021. These are also for this class 1 to 12, and the 27th of this and 28th of this November are this exam date of 2021. And different organization or examination making or conducting organizations have decided their date, but it can be changed. These are my prediction, or what you think about these examinations can write on our comment sections also, and I will take different analysis regarding this examination date if you say on this comment box. Okay, so you can also share your own opinions about this examination date, what or how they may conduct. I am also searching about it. Okay, so here is also 50,000 cash prizes given, and international gold medals and certificate, mementos, etc. are given for this exam cracker. Okay, so next is Silver Zone Olympiad exam 2021. So it is a class that means 1 to 12 level examinations. This is also different in Silver Zone examinations, IOM International Olympiad exam, or IOS International Science Olympiad, or computer or English, different examinations they basically conduct. So this is under the Silver Zone Olympiad. Those who are in class 1 to class 12 can give this exam, and basically they conduct these exams in November 2021, and award is given basically 20,000 per month, 20,000 rupees plus trophy. It's not per month, it is actually per year, or in a cash price. It may not be in month, so you can search these things, and trophy is given also those who have cracked these examinations. Okay, so these are Silver Zone level examination. So here it is NMMS. That means it is NMMS, but here full forms is actually typed here mistakenly. It should be National Merit means it should be here scholarships scheme of 2021. See, one of the prestigious exams in our India, and those who are basically class 7th pass, those who have passed class 7th, okay, by taking more than 50 to 55%, 50 to 50 examinations, and class 8 to class 12, that is for 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, for 4 years this award is given. Okay, and rupees 12,000 per month, per annual, that means 1,000 per month rupees is given those who have cracked this examination. And it is basically started in this July 2021, but you can see their complete website regarding this examination. So this is very crackable or not so tough examinations, but yes, it can tough for the students of class 8 level, but those who have prepared very much carefully can easily crack these exams. So many students from our offline batches and online batches have cracked these examinations. So if you also want to crack this examination, and how will prepare for this examination, and what are the study materials given for this examination, can see in our different videos also. Okay, so you can prepare for these examinations also. Okay, let's see next. It is National Interactive Math Olympiad 2021. Okay, it's also one math examinations, and level 1 and level 2 are, that means by taking 2 level they actually finish this examination, and for class 1 to 12 those who have studied basically can give this examination. And exam date is 18th of November 2021, and awards is actually 50,000 cash prize plus gold medal plus international trophy, and these are for this international cricketters, and 5,000 plus cash plus gold medals is given for the students of national rank holder. Actually these are for this national rank holder, and these are for this international rank holder. Okay, so here I have told you about 10 important examinations of different Olympiad level, and different date, and that means cash levels and etc. award I have already explained from slide to slide. So if you have enjoyed these sessions, please share it with your friends, and write in the comment section that for which examinations you want to prepare. See, I will personally request all of you, if you crack 2 or 3 exam, then it can help you in 2 or 3 different ways to boost your score. Number 1, it can prepare you for for your joint entrance related exam for example JEE mains, advanced or NEET, or it can enhance you financially or boost your financial conditions. That means whatever everything is not possible by giving these exams. That means all this expenditures will not be you cannot be get through this examination, but it can help you by that means taking of different cash money per month. Okay, so this is also another kind of this merit of these examinations. And number 3 is that it can prepare you, it can enhance your smartness, or it can enhance your preparation strategy and enhance your speed. Okay, so 3 important things is there if you prepare for this examination. Another thing is that if you prepare for this examination, it can also help your board examination or class performance also, because these are very tough level examinations. And those who are taking preparation for this examination, I am sure can easily get a good positions in your class also. Okay, so prepare for this examination. I know that there are some other exams also I have left here. Basically I have chosen those examinations which are basically taken in offline mode and in different state of maximum state of our India. And some of the exams is also there, but these are not offline examination, these are some of the online examination. For example, BVM. In our previous classes, so many students have cracked these BVM examinations, and I wish them all the best for this exam. All these videos are in our playlist, you can see this. And who are, that means in aspirant of this BVM examination, can write on the comment section that sir, whether you want to take this some preparations of some other examinations also, which I have uploaded now here. That means video here. So these are some of the important examinations. I left different examinations also, I already told you. Please write in the comments below that which examination from this 10 or some other examinations also there that and can prepare or can give it from your state. Please write in the comment sections below that sir, I want to prepare to take these preparations of those particular examinations. Okay, so if number of students is increased, then I am sure I will take this preparational strategy classes and all these things. Okay, so this is everything of this today's class. So I will request all of you, please share this with your friends. And in this that means lockdown situations, please don't go outside of your homes, and read or take these preparations thoroughly online by taking that means by seeing all this video online. Okay, so I wish all the best for this examination. Those who have started preparation and those who have not started, please start today. Okay, so this is the end of this our video. Thank you for watching.